Looking for an avenue where you can download free auto pivot MetaTrader indicator? Well, you might have arrived at the right website. Now, you can get auto pivot indicator MQ4 for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 for free. This indicator is best for MetaTrader 4 or perhaps MT4 and also MetaTrader 5 or MT5. In fact, this is suitable and also functions well in some other MetaTrader versions readily available. To provide you a glimpse as to exactly what your MetaTrader will seem like soon after applying the put in auto pivot, you can scrutinize the image shown above. If you are fascinated with this one, don't wait around and start downloading it. In case you are looking for some other MetaTrader pivot indicators, we have other types that you can see in the pivot indicator section. So, begin checking. Increasing numbers of people are downloading this indicator. Up to now, there are approximately 4,222 people who downloaded the auto pivot, totaling a substantial 4,222 total downloads. All you must do is click the download link and save this indicator in your PC. If you realize the best MT4 indicators useful, you may share this among your friends and relatives through clicking the share button below. We as well motivate you to put a statement and a score for the indicator that you've downloaded. The rating and the review you will give will encourage other online guests to download the indicator as well. Professional auto pivot indicator for forex, crypto, stocks and indices. Pivot points refer to a technical analysis method that provides more apparent price levels as the turning point, resistances, and supports over different periods. The pivot points are based on the price action of the previous trading day. You can use this indicator for any currency pairs. It's very professional strategy and it has higher accuracy if you know how to use it. It is built with MQL4 language. In technical analysis, pivot points help determine a sensitive point on the price chart, a crossing that might cause a shift in the market sentiment. The pivot point is based on the previous high, low, and close prices. The method also provides critical levels of support and resistance in the price action surrounding the pivot point. Ultimately, you can easily use the pivot points to find reliable buy and sell signals and determine exit points along with adequate stop loss placement. Features: it will change pivot types according to your time frame. It has good accuracy to find out signals you can trade with pivot retracement or breakout. Daily pivot is for H1 time frame. If you switch time frame H1 to H4, it will change the SR levels to weekly SR levels. You can use it to determine support resistance. You can use it for entry and exit trade. It has daily pivot with 3 daily support resistance level. It has weekly pivot with 3 weekly support resistance level. It has monthly pivot with 3 monthly support resistance level. You can use this indicator for manual trading in long-term or intraday basis. The Auto Pivot Forex indicator for MetaTrader 4 automatically updates the pivot point, PP, support, S1, S2, S3, and resistance levels, R1, R2, R3, every day. Price above the pivot point means positive while price below the pivot point means negative. S3 indicates extremely oversold while price above resistance R3 means extremely overbought. The indicator is lightweight and does not slow down your computer. Trading signals. Open a buy trade when price closes above the pivot point from below. Open a sell trade when price closes below the pivot point from above. The Auto Pivot Point Forex indicator for MetaTrader 4 draws the daily, weekly and monthly pivot point on the activity chart. After loading the indicator to the chart, all aforementioned pivot points will appear directly on the chart. The indicator also plots the accompanied support and resistance levels on the chart for the daily, weekly and monthly pivot point. The idea behind pivot points. A bull